Canva does not have all of the certain kinds of lines that I might want to work with. For instance, when you are using the elements and you um, choose lines, um, you don't really have the lines you really want. If you can't make a really thin line or arrow. They seem to be stuck with a certain width. So a workaround that I have found to that is to create a Google drawing. So we're going to start real quick and show you how to work through that. So I have a Google drawing, and let's say I want a certain kind of line. I want a thin line. And I'm going to just grab the line tool in Google Drawing, regular line, and I'm just going to draw out a line. Going to draw out a line, okay, and this is a black line. I could make a white line, a black line, and that's about as thin as you can get one pixel. I can't really make a thin line like that in Canva. Then, once I've done that, I simply grab the select tool again. I grab the very bottom corner of this um, resize tool of the canvas to shrink this down, and I might actually put this line right in the middle of it. Okay, so I've created a thin black line, and then I simply come here and I download it as a scalable vector graphic, a .svg. In this case, I'm saving it on my Mac to a folder. Go ahead and save. So I have this thin black line that I can put in there. Now when I come back to Canva, I can go to my folders. I have uploaded drawings, and I can upload an image, or in this case, I can simply I can upload an image, do it this way, and navigate, and I have a thin line, and I just drag that over here and upload it. And then this particular graphic will be available to me in any of my projects. Now, if I want to finish working with that, here's this line. I can bring this line in, and maybe I'll put it right here. Now, notice I have a thin line, and like any other graphic here, I could grab its edge and make it smaller. So now I've made it a little shorter, and I can rotate it, and I can decide I want it to be at 90 degrees. So now I actually have a thin line, which a moment ago I could not have gotten in Canva tools.